The way that I begin all of the circles that I use to make my crocheted animals is with the chain 2, 6 single crochet, and first chain method. And with this method, you're going to do exactly what I just said. You're going to chain 2 and then work 6 single crochet in the first chain. So to do that, you will chain 2, so that you now have 2 chain stitches made. Then you're going to insert your crochet hook into that first chain that you made right next to the slip knot. There's 2 loops that you can see here to form this little V. You're going to insert your hook right between those 2 loops. So you now have one of those loops on your crochet hook, and then you are going to work a single crochet stitch, which is to wrap your yarn under your crochet hook and pull it through that first loop. So you now have 2 loops on your hook, and then wrap your yarn under your crochet hook again and pull it through both loops to form one single crochet stitch. Now for the second single crochet stitch, you're going to insert your hook right here, again right in front of that slip knot that you made. This is going into that same chain stitch that you crocheted your last single crochet. And you're going to crochet a second single crochet stitch. So you can see that you now have 1 single crochet stitch, 2 single crochet stitches. Now for the third single crochet stitch, you can see that there's this little hole right here where you've been inserting your stitches. Go ahead and insert your crochet hook into that hole. Again, it's right above that slip knot there, and make a third single crochet stitch. And then back here, the hole is getting a little bit more obvious now that it has so many stitches in it. For your fourth single crochet, insert your hook into that same hole and work a fourth single crochet stitch. And then for the fifth, into that hole in the middle, and then for your last single crochet stitch, right here into that hole, and make a 6th single crochet. You now will have a little circle of stitches of 6 stitches, which you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 little stitches that make up this little circle that you'll be using as your base for all of the crochet circles that you will be making.